Hello, my friend. Good afternoon. This is Mr. Monicale TV. I'm here again to show you a way on how to make money online. We are going to talk about this application that is called Zap. Zap pays you to take survey, and they pay you. They pay you to answer question. When we are talking about survey is when you are answering question online, and there's somebody that is paying you for those questions that you are asking, that you are answering online. So just go to Google Play Store and search on Zap, Z-A-P, Zap, and just hit on search, and you find Zap. This is the application. You will find Zap Service, and the full name is Zap Service, and you just need to download the application and register. For registering, I think they pays $6.25 for registration. They pay you $6.25 for registration, and you take survey to answer a little bit question. Your registration, they will not pay you for registration, but they will pay you after your registration. You will answer question. There's a question, I think 8 questions that they will ask you, and you will be paid for that 8 question. That 8 question, they will pay you they will pay you $6.25, I think so. So after taking that survey, you will get paid. So this is how the application works. So all you just need to do is to install it, and it's called, don't forget again, it's called Zap Survey. I will leave it in the description below. So if you cannot have it, it's in the description. Just hit on the link in the description, and it will take you to Google Play Store. So you just need to do is to download it, and I will leave my refer code in the description below, so that you will use it to boost your app, to boost your cash. So I don't want to go into that, so let me just show you, because I don't want to direct you to any link or show you to any link. But if you need it the easy way, I will help you to put the link in the description below. If you like it, you can go through it to use it. So how does this application work? So it work by look at what they say here. Your daily, for your logging in on this application, for it's a challenge logging in for 45 days in a row, and we will give you an extra 75 cents. For extra when you are taking survey and you are doing a lot of things, they will give you this money after 45 days, and you earn 0 for logging in today. So they didn't pay you anything for logging in today. Maybe tomorrow, I think they will throw you some cash, and they pay you. You say, look at what they say here. You are getting there once you reach a balance of $25 or more. You will be able to cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift card. So you can get paid by PayPal or Amazon gift card, any way you feel like getting paid. And more about them, you can see here. You can refer this is my refer link. You can use my refer link, my refer code, my refer ID. And my refer ID is SAWVEASI7W. So that is my refer link. I will leave it in the description below. So even if you didn't get it through this place, I will leave it in the description below. So I don't want to go through this information here. And you take survey. How you take survey on this application? It's a daily survey, high paying survey. For every $1 you make, we donate 25 cents to charity. So for every $1 you make on this application, they donate 20 cents to charity, to people that is in need. So look at that is Tap Research. that is Tap Research survey. So go to the other one. It say so for good, survey. It's a daily survey. Every completed survey you get rewarded, and a full meal is donated to a starving child. So the children that doesn't have food, that is in need, that they are taking care of in charity, they give them that. And the daily survey, this is Penalt Labs. They pays you, this company, they pays you. You say every completed survey you get rewarded, and we make a donate to stop child starvation around the globe. So that is that. And the location rewards, this company location rewards says spontaneous reward. Get rewarded for being placed. Reward are available at most major retailers. Retailers. Sorry about that. Say get rewarded for being placed. Reward are available at most major retailers. So that is it. That is how you make money on this application, Zap Survey. So this is it, guys. I know this application have helped you out. So all you just need to do is to hit on the application, register, take the lead 8 question survey, and you do other things they ask you to do, and you continue taking survey. Once you have your $25, you can cash out. You can even leave it and make about $1,000 on this application by taking survey. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out. See you on my other video.